So seniors, I got a secret for you. If you live in a home with stairs, you probably don't even need to go to a gym, because those stairs, you can utilize them to build your strength. You can do so many things. You can stretch, you can build your strength, upper, lower, core, anything you can think of, you got them right at home. So we're gonna actually explore several, not just one or two, several exercises that we can make a full body workout with them. So to get into this workout, as I like to say, let's get into it. So folks, when it comes to this workout, we want to make sure that we have a little warm up first before we get started. But similar to the previous videos I've made about workouts, I want you to warm up and then we're going to do 30 seconds for each exercise. The first exercise is a stair push-up. The great thing about a stair push-up is you can adjust the difficulty, whether you use your first step, which is harder, your second step a little easier, or your third step easier again. You can actually adjust it. As you see me doing right here, put your hands on the step or difficulty you want to make this exercise, and you basically want to bring your body as close as you can to the steps. After about 30 seconds, pushing your body or your chest as close as you can to your steps, now we're done. And again, if it's too easy, go a step lower. Why not, right? Exercise number one. So exercise number two is not just walking up the stairs, but using it as a step up. A step up is great because it actually works your entire quad. It works your quad, it works your glutes, which we know seniors need to improve. You can actually do this by holding onto a rail, for safety of course, and going up and down on each leg for 30 seconds. As you know, you see me right here, I'm actually depending on using my leg as a way of pushing myself up, not just pulling myself up with my arm, but the leg is actually doing most of the work. Once we finish the right leg or the left leg, we switch sides and do both sides. But this is exercise number two, a step up. Okay, so you seniors know I'm big on balance. So the great balance exercise and to use our stairs is to use your stairs as a guide. This one is actually the single leg deadlift. For this one, we want to stand a little bit away from our stairs, about a foot away, and use your stairs to touch it with both hands, as you see me doing right here. Once you touch about your second step, go back up on each leg. Do about 30 seconds on each leg. What you should feel is using your balance one, but actually feeling the exercise in your hamstrings and glutes again, which I say for seniors are very important. We want to do both sides for 30 seconds. Exercise number three. To work our core on the stairs is actually pretty easy. We can actually use it as we'd use a bench that we'd find in a gym. What I'm gonna have you folks do for this one, instead of holding a regular plank, which again, if you can hold it for 20 or 30 or seconds or a minute, that's great. But I'm gonna actually have you do something where you're gonna actually use more of your body in this plank. I'm gonna have you again adjust your difficulty, whether it be the first step, second step, or third step. But once you get in this position, in the plank position, keeping your hips down, I want you to alternate a knee lift. Basically lifting your knees up to your chest, but maintaining the plank position. And this is important because we want to make sure that we're really emphasizing the core, not using your back or some other part of your body to do the work. But this is exercise number four and starting to use our core. So for exercise number five, in previous videos, I talk about this exercise, a side plank. And again, like the last exercise with the plank and the push-up, we can adjust our difficulty. As you see me doing right here on this step, I'm gonna make sure my body's in a nice straight line and my elbow is right underneath me. And we can hold this exercise for 20, 30 seconds. Let's keep it 30 since we've been 30 the whole way through. 30 seconds all the way through and making sure our body's in a nice straight line. What you should feel again is your obliques or those side muscles that are so important for our core. Once we finish one side, of course, we gotta finish the other one. Exercise number five. So folks, I actually only intended to do five, but I'm gonna throw out a bonus because this bonus is actually extremely beneficial for those that want to actually work out on the stairs. And this is a calf stretch. I have said it many times, folks. One of the best ways to do a calf stretch is to put the fronts of your feet on the first step and just drop your heels. You should feel a great stretch from your Achilles all the way up to the bottom of the back of your knees. This is a great stretch. So this is bonus, folks. Exercise number 6 is a bonus calf stretch. So folks, I'm sure after this, you'll never look at your stairs the same ever again. You can pretty much use any part of your home, whether you have stairs or some other parts of your home, as workout equipment. I'm a big proponent in using what you have, and your stairs falls into that category. So what do you think, folks? Are there other things that you already do on your stairs? Let me know in the comments. And I always like to say to you folks, I have a free Facebook group. Check the link in the description if you'd love to join. On that note, this is Eric Daw from OmniFit. Take care.